Hi, I'm Josh Willis with Resist. Today I'm joined again with Matthew from ABRA. We're just going through some simple maintenance and tech support issues that you can do on your own when you have an issue or you need to adjust something on the machine. Today what we're going to go over is how to adjust your sand level sensor or your abrasive level sensor. To do that, we're going to need a 3/32 flathead driver or something small that you would use to fix your glasses. We just need a small flathead, and then that way we can go in and adjust that sensor. It's important to make sure the sensor is adjusted right so that when you run out of sand, the machine stops when it's supposed to and refills. So to adjust this sensor, you first need to know whether you have sand or abrasive in the pressure pot or not. That's crucial. If your sand pot is empty, you can adjust it. If your sand pot is full, you can adjust it. However, you need to know beforehand whether or not there's sand in there, because the adjustment is the same action. It's just whether or not we're gonna have the light on or off is important. If the light is off, that means there is no sand in the tank. If the light is on, that means there is sand in the tank. Now, knowing that there is sand in the tank, we're going to adjust the sensor to give us an accurate reading of the fact that there is sand in the tank. He's going to turn that small little flathead screw clockwise until the light lights up. Once that light comes on, that's telling the sensor that there is sand in the tank. Now what he wants to do is back that off and do that motion 2 to 3 times to ensure we're getting an accurate reading. Now, if see it's flickering, he's going to adjust it just to get a little bit more on there. So now we're telling the sensor that there's sand in the tank. If the tank were empty, we would do the exact opposite. We would take the light off and adjust it until the light turns off. On, off, on, off. Being that there is sand, he's going to adjust it to where the light comes on and then leave it there. Very simple, very easy to do, but very important. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it helped. Hopefully the machine's up and running. If for whatever reason it hasn't solved your problem, please reach out to me or Matthew or any of our tech support people. And we're happy to walk you through it and get this thing resolved and get your machine up and running. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.